If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Rasagola. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, from which we need about a teaspoon of that. Then 1 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt. Then take about 4 cups of milk in a pan and set the flame on high and bring that to boil first. Then after that, reduce the flame to medium, and to the milk add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and wait for a couple of minutes. What that will do, it will make Chhena or cottage cheese. So in a couple of minutes, you will see something like this. So at this stage, switch off the flame and take a bowl along with a cotton cloth. Place it on top of the bowl and if possible, tie it or make some knots. Then gently pour the cottage cheese or Chhena on top of it. So the cloth will collect it and the water will go down into the bowl, which we don't need. So once you get all the Chhena, slowly pour some water on top of it. It will get rid of the sour lemon flavor. Now to make sugar syrup, take about 3/4 cup of sugar along with 2 cups of water and bring that to boil. So once all the sugar is dissolved and it starts to boil, reduce the flame to medium. Now in a bowl, take all the Chhena followed by 1/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt and the powder, and combine it really well with your fingers. And after it's well combined, we need to knead it like a dough for at least 4-5 minutes. Then after that, apply some ghee on your palm and take a small portion of it and shape it like a ball. Just like this. Now similarly make others. Now to make the sugar syrup, place a pan on medium flame and first add about a tablespoon of ghee, followed by 1/4 cup of sugar. Now wait till all the sugar dissolves and the syrup turns into a golden color, just like this. Now to this, add about 2 cups of water along with the rest of the sugar. Then hide the flame and bring that to boil. And now we can add all the Chhena balls, and we need to boil these in the sugar syrup for roughly about 8 to 10 minutes. And this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, Rasagola. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.